This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a PDF document on your iPad. First, open the PDF you need to sign in the Files app or any other compatible PDF viewer. Once open, look for the markup icon, which resembles a pen tip, usually found in the top right corner of your screen. Tapping this icon will reveal the markup toolbar, where you'll find the signature tool, ready for your use. Now, let's create your signature. After selecting the signature tool, you'll see an option to add a new signature. Tap the plus icon to begin. You can then use your finger or an Apple Pencil to carefully draw your signature directly onto the screen. Take your time to make it look just right. Once you're satisfied, simply tap Done in the top right corner to save your newly created digital signature. With your signature created, it will now automatically appear on your PDF document. You can easily move it around by dragging it with your finger or Apple Pencil until it's in the perfect spot. If the size isn't quite right, simply use the blue dots located at each corner of the signature box. Drag these dots inward or outward to resize your signature, making it larger or smaller to fit the document perfectly. Once your signature is perfectly placed and sized, it's time to save your work. Tap the Done button, usually found in the top left corner of your screen. You'll then be prompted to choose where you'd like to save the signed PDF. Select Save File To, and pick your preferred location. Alternatively, you can also share the document directly from this view, sending it via email or another app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.